Welcome to Your Breakthrough Moment, the Ignite 180 bonus series, where sudden and dramatic shifts propel you forward. I'm your host, Sharita Santiago. Let's dive in.
So listen, it is time for us to break through. It is time for us to really be positioned for our leading edge, especially as we talk about our superpowers. We can no longer go throughout the rest of our lives being used or utilized in an area that we're playing small in. We have to go big or stay home. So I want to encourage you all with 5 powerful, thought-provoking questions that I'm usually asking in just about every career coaching session. And I believe that these questions will allow you to uncover not just the next layer of your superpower, but also things that maybe you have been doing but need to pivot through. So I hope you all are ready for these thought-provoking questions. First question is, I want you to think about what activities make you lose track of time because you enjoy them so much or feel deeply immersed in them. What are those things that you just freely flow? You're not looking at your clock. You just find yourself doing these things. These are the areas where your natural strengths often reside. Your areas of freely flowing. No restrictions. You don't feel burdened by it. What are some of those things that just are coming up for you? I want you to write those things down. And if you have to pause it so you can write them down. The second thought-provoking question is, what comes so easily to you that others often find challenging or admire in you? Okay. What are those things like, oh man, I wish I was like this, or you're really good at this. Those are oftentimes those hidden talents or abilities that others seem as remarkable, but we don't even see them in ourselves. So what are people calling you for? When your friends are calling you, what are those things those top 2 or top 3 things that people often call you for? Are they calling you for advice? Are they calling you because you're resourceful? What do they come to you for? Third question, what problems do people frequently come to you to solve? And here's the key piece. How do you feel when helping in those moments? Just because someone's asking you a question or asking you to fix something doesn't necessarily mean that you're called to the thing, right? But again, we want to identify the feeling that comes with it when you are in that mode of solving, because these things can reveal your strengths in problem solving, leadership, and supporting others of value. Okay. This is another question. When was the last time you felt incredibly proud of something that you accomplished? And what role did you play? Are you the one who comes up with the ideas? Are you the one who figures out what's needed to connect the dots? Are you the implementer? What is your role? Are you the one that sees it through to the finish line? Pinpoint some of those achievements, at least 2 or 3 of them, that you will find that those are also tied to some unique skills that you already have, and really identifies the impactful contributions that you are already making in society. Last question. If there were no limits, if you could do anything without the fear of failure, what would you choose to do every day? Again, this piece here explores your passions, explores those secret desires that you haven't necessarily fully manifested. So again, I hope that these thought-provoking questions will allow you to be ignited to move into your next breakthrough. Until next time, don't forget to command your day.
That's it for your breakthrough moment. Keep pressing forward. Your next shift is closer than you think. Catch all our episodes on your favorite podcast platforms. And don't forget to visit us at ignite180.co for more. Until next time, keep moving, keep growing, and keep breaking through.